What is dropshipping? We've all heard of dropshipping, but what is it exactly? Well, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. But how does it work? You select a niche or industry for your store. Consider your interests, market demand, and competition. But what's the next step? Find reliable suppliers who offer dropshipping services. Popular platforms include AliExpress, Oberlo, or connecting with manufacturers directly. Then, set up an online store using platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or others. Customize it to reflect your brand and make it user-friendly. Set up payment and shipping. Establish transparent shipping policies. Clearly communicate shipping times to customers. Market your store. Utilize digital marketing strategies like social media, content marketing, and paid advertising to drive traffic to your store. Build an online presence to attract potential customers. Customer service is key. Provide excellent customer service to build trust. Address queries promptly and ensure a smooth buying experience. Monitor and optimize. Regularly review your store's performance, analyze customer feedback, and optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. Success in dropshipping requires dedication, market research, and adaptability to changing trends.